Generally, goosebumps are caused at the moment of excitement, fear, or other sudden circumstances. You probably have felt goosebumps after watching a scary movie or something that makes you amazed. However, having goosebumps when you sneeze is a kind of different situation.
The enormous pressure of the sneeze gives a trigger to the sensory nerves, which then sends a message to the nervous system. After all this, the skin responds to that sense and elevates the bumps and makes the hair to rise for some moments.